Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is another i96 Pro on this 2018 Audi A8L. So the way the system works, if someone was to obviously clone this key, do a relay attack, start up the vehicle, as soon as they go to drive away and select a gear, the car dies and switches off. So the customer's day-to-day procedure with a Starline i96 Pro is start the vehicle up. If their phone's in their pocket, it will disarm straight away. In cases where it's not, they've got to use a PIN code. So we've set it for now to right, left, right, left. Here are our confirmation. And now we can select a gear and drive away. If the customer wants to change the code, this can be a combination of any buttons that are supported between 3 and 21 presses. And the way you change the code is ignition on, first disarm the system, receive our confirmation, now press any button 5 times, ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps and it's ready to learn a new code. Oh, that's a little bit delayed, so we'll do that again. So disarm the system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignition off, ignition back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now every time I press a button, we'll get a tone. It's ready to learn, so we'll just change it to a single button press. We'll wait for a confirmation. And again, we'll repeat that code. Wait for a confirmation. And that's the new code learned. So we'll give it about 10 seconds. We'll start up the vehicle, you see it's protected, and then we'll put in the new code. So if we start it up now, the system should be armed. No tone. As soon as we select a gear, the vehicle dies. So we'll start the vehicle up, pop in our PIN code. We've received our melody. Now we can select a gear. If the customer needs to take this vehicle back to Audi and put it in service mode, so they can drive it around the workshop and it will behave as a normal car, as if there's no immobiliser fitted, the way that's done is ignition on and disarm the system. Receive our disarm tone, now press any button 11 times. Ignition off, back on, and we'll get 2 bleeps confirming it's in valet mode. There's our 2 bleeps. So now this will act like a normal car, so the customer doesn't have to give them their phone and doesn't have to disclose the PIN code. They can start the vehicle up, select a gear, and the vehicle behaves as a normal car. Once they get the vehicle back from Audi and they obviously want it protected again, all they need to do is ignition on, pop their disarm code in, and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now this is protected again. So like before, after about 10 seconds or so, this system automatically arms and the vehicle is protected. There we go, vehicle dies. So if you want to get your vehicle protected against key clone, relay attack, key theft, and you want to use a PIN code disarm procedure or pair up your phone with an adjustable range, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.